this is my first hands-on video that I'm going to show you with my fancy new equipment. So what I want to show you today is I'm going to be making earrings. So I've already cut my faux leather and I'm doing double layers. So I have one layer here, and then this is going to be the smaller layer that goes up top. And then I printed HTV to go on the back, so I like to do a coordinating color. So I have a powder blue, and then I have the powder blue for the small ones too. So now what I want to show you is this tool. This is actually a nail polish holder. I got it off Amazon for a couple bucks, and what I use this for is when I'm weeding to put all the scraps in. So you just go like that and put it in there. And you can grab a couple at once too. Oops. Okay, this is hard to do on this surface. Ignore all my coffee stains. This tool is amazing. Okay, so now that I have that all weeded, I'm going to cut this in half because this is going to go on top of, come on now. I'm going to apply this on top of here as an accent to go with that. So this is for a dress that I'm planning on wearing tomorrow to a baby shower. So I made custom earrings to go with it. Next, I'll show you the heat press. Okay, so now I'm at my heat press. I know this is at a weird angle, but I have my heat press set to 290. And I'm getting all my pieces. So I'm going to put these upside down. Okay, now that I have, let's see, you can't see that. There we go. Okay, so I have my faux leather, and then I put the HTV, line it up. So the HTV is on top of the underside layer. I try to line it up as close as possible, but I usually have to trim off some. Okay, so there's the underlayer for the big layer. And then here's the backing for the smaller layer. There are holes in this, I just have to punch them through when I'm done. Okay. And then there's that one. Oh, that messed it up. Okay, let's get this one away. Okay, there's that layer. And then you'll notice some faux leather has this fuzzy backing to it. Let me see if I can adjust the camera. Okay, this one has fuzzy backing to it, and that's the one I really want to hide. So that's why I do this. Okay, readjust this again. Okay. Ah. Okay, this one keeps sticking. So I'm going to do this one outside of the camera view. Okay, now that it's set, I turn, oh, please don't run into my, okay, I turn the heat press. And I'm going to have to put this up. And I put it down. And I usually do it for about 12 seconds. So my timer's set on 15, so I just need to watch it. Okay, that's good. Lift it up. Okay, then I peel it when it's hot. And there you go. These layers are done. I save all my heat transfer sheets. I can take these off. Daughter came in. Okay, now I'm going to add the flour. Okay. All right, I'm going to do the heat press again. Okay, that time I did it for 10 seconds. Okay. Now I peel that off and head back over to my desk so I can put them all together. Okay, now I'm back at my desk and it's time to put these together. You'll see on here, you can see just a little bit of the blue showing through and you can see some of the fuzzies. So I just go around and trim them up. Okay, some of this faux leather cuts better than others. Like if you notice on this, the hole cut perfectly. This one, however, did not. So I have to kind of find it and push it through. And then I go through the front and push it through and trim it if necessary. All right, that's good. Now do the same to the second one. Trying to cut some of this fuzz off. Okay, I find the hole based on where the hole in the HTV is. And I poke my weeder through it. And then I'll go through the front so it has the sticking out the other way. All right, that's good for that. Now to trim these up. Okay. And when you do this, you can barely, I don't know if you can see it, the sides are they're not noticeable at all. Okay, so now that I have that, let me get out 2 ear wires and get my needle nose pliers. And what you do is you open this just slightly like that, and I want to put it in through the back. I want to put my big layer on first, and then the little layer on top, and then with your needle nose pliers you just close this back up. And make sure it's fully closed so it doesn't fall out. All right, and then put an earring back to it. Voila. 1 earring to match my dress for tomorrow, and do the same thing on this one. Close this one back up. Make sure it's closed all the way. Put an earring back on it, and there you go. 2 custom earrings that match my dress perfectly. All right, I hope this helps.